Here we are going to study social science contemporary India of class 10th. So here is the first chapter of contemporary India resources and development. Can you identify and name the various items used in making life comfortable in our villages and towns? List the items and name the material used in their making. So it's saying that do you know about the objects uh, we are generally seen surrounding our city, our village, our town? uh, because the name of the chapter is resource and development, so we should focus on how we find resources and how they develop them. So basically the nature of this chapter is about how the human beings evolved through resources and how they develop today. So next, everything available in an environment which can be used to satisfy our needs, provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable, can be termed as resource. Here, everything which is available in our environment, which is used by us, which satisfy our needs, is termed as resource. Like interdependent relationship between nature, technology, and institution. So human beings use technology, institution, physical environment of nature. So human being basically how used natural resources, technical resources, and institution for their use for to assist education. Here the process of transformation of things available in our environment involves an interactive relationship between nature, technology, and institutions. Human beings interact with nature through technology and create institutions to accelerate their economic development. So, the process of transformation of things available in an environment involves an interactive relationship between nature, technology, and institution. Human being used nature and he create technologies, and then thus technology and institutions are created by using the various kind of resources. Do you think that resources are free gifts of nature as is assumed by many? They are not. Resources are a function of human activities. So what do you think? That all resources are a gift of nature? No. You know what? We got like coal from earth crust, right? But we have, if we wanna use it in technology or in other institutions, other things, industries, we need to assess it, and then we go industries, companies, module, make its module. Resources are a function of human activities. So as I told you, like coal, and then we used it, brush up it, and then we use it, so we function on it, and then we make it usable. Human beings themselves are essential components of resources. Human beings are by own use the essential thing one by one. They use raw material, they use after that material they transform material available in our environment into resources and use them. These resources can be classified in the following ways: on the basis of origin, biotic and abiotic; on the basis of exhaustibility, renewable and non-renewable. 1 second.